it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we are with a classic. A classic. The comment section has been killing me to react to this one. Today we are with Deva Bratt after Escape. So Escape was an event. Escape was an event back in the days. This is when Deva Bratt and Aidonia go at it. Remember Deva Bratt, Aidonia go at it. Deva Bratt and Munga go at it. Deva Bratt and Ira go at it. So the G have him name as a lyricist in a dancer from them time there. So going up against Aidonia them time there. Aidonia was ruthless them time there, bro. Still is, but Aidonia was more hungry them time there. Munga same. Yo. So after Escape, Deva Bratt. The comment section ask fit. See it, yeah. Let's go.
Hey, after Escape.
Yeah.
And them never really get for Escape. Them check say they don't done this, so yeah.
Yeah.
So it happened. A girl is show and then it happened. Now full black.
Yes.
So them know say
Lyrics
we
time.
say 12 gauge. And full that.
And pull back.
And pull back. Alright, them this Deva Bratt from Westchester. And them know say me living at the Wild West. So me rise up the Winchester. And big shot pour up them skin like polyester. Fill up the stage show them say me are the best. Should we lyrical them a claim say we extra. That a man a bexa. And we violate and this was come exa. Me wish at the chicken it. Beg junk have a feast for. It up na full back. No ask when me do it. For we all the general a try. Hey.
Yo! Pull up!
Yo!
Let's go!
Yo! The man tell Donia say, we shot your chicken head, make drunker have a feast for. If you don't know why I talk this, so, him a talk, take out my glasses, man. Him a talk about, remember say, I don't have a song name. When you see the chicken head, say, chicken head. You know that song there, right? Then time that song there on the place. The man say, yo, me shot your chicken head, make drunker have a feast. Yo.
After Escape.
Yeah.
And them never really get to Escape. Them check say they don't done this. So yeah. A girl is
full
show
black.
and then it now full
full black.
black.
Yeah.
So them know say we say 12 gauge. And full that.
And pull back.
And pull back. Alright, them this Deva Bratt from Westchester. And them know say me living at the Wild West. So me rise up the Winchester. And big shot pour up them skin like polyester. Fill up the stage show them say me are the best. Should we lyrical them a claim say we extra. That a man a bexa. And we violate and this was come exa. Me wish at the chicken it. Beg junk have a feast. It up na full back. No ask when me do it. For we all the general a try cry peace. Fight a lyrical conflict. Scene sir.
Man, I tell Warlord say killer. No bother. Yeah, general, you're the warlord. Why you cry peace for? No cry no peace like this. Let me shot the chicken head. Let me shot the chicken head.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
After Escape.
Yeah, that warrior did nice, dog.
And they never really get to Escape. Them
Yeah.
say they don't done this, so yeah.
Yeah.
So it happened. A girl is
Full black.
show and then it happened. Now full black.
Yeah.
So them know say we say 12 gauge.
And pull back.
And full that.
And pull back.
And pull back. Alright, them this Deva Bratt from Westchester. And them know say me living at the Wild West. So me rise up the Winchester. And big shot pour up them skin like polyester. Fill up the stage show them say me are the best. Should we lyrical them a claim say we extra. That a man a bexa. And we violate and this was come exa. Me wish at the chicken it. Beg junk have a feast for. It up na full back. No ask when me do it. For we all the general a try cry peace. Fight a lyrical conflict. Scene sir. I do not go dead and him don't buck like no. Cook hiding from the war. What a rass when me hold that. Me have me $60 and the money for the toll that. Me be right to a king so the dice we can pull that.
Pull up! Yo!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yo, them time in the dancehall, brother. And no shades, brother. No shades, now fling, dog. No shades, now
After
fling, brother.
Escape.
Direct.
And they never really get fair
The man
escape.
say, I don't I got dead. And, yo, listen lyrics, man.
A girl is
Listen lyrics.
show and then it up now full black.
Nice.
So them know
Well, that's
say
sweet enough.
we say 12 gauge. And full that.
What more can I do?
And pull back. Alright, them this Deva Bratt from Westchester. And them know say me living at the Wild West. So me rise up the Winchester. And big shot pour up them skin like polyester. Fill up the stage show them say we are the best. Should we lyrical them a claim say we extra.
Yeah.
That a man a bexa. And one violate and this was come extra. Me wish at your chicken it, make junk have a feast for. It up na full back, no ask when me did. For when one of the general a try cry peace, fights a lyrical conflict, seen sir? I do not go dead and him bumbo clad, know that. Cook hide him from the war, what a rass when me hold that. Me have me $60, the money for the toll that. Me be right to a king so the dice become pull that.
Yeah, the man saying, do them time they are $60 for toll. Them time they are $60 for toll. The man say, oh, listen, me have me $60 for the toll. Well, guess what? Me right go Bumbuckler Kingston and go pull that. When them say pull, you know what about a pull dance I know. When you kill a cow, when you kill an animal, you pull the animal. So him tell us say, yo, him ride with him ice pick, go pull that. No! No pussy test, none! Yo!
Coward, haven't you been told that? If you do a free premier, I run down, go hide them close at. Hey, it's not how me hold that. Me have me $60, the money for the toll that. Me be right to a king so the dice become pull that. Coward, haven't you been told that? If you do a free premier, I run down, go hide them close at. Hey, it's not how I pro that. It's a you.
Yo, the man saying get the war flip. Listen.
Me have me $60, the money for the toll that. Me be right to a king so the dice become pull that. Coward, haven't you been told that? If you do a free premier, I run down, go hide them close at. Hey.
Man say him get the war for premier and run go and go hide where him close that. Where you keep close it? In a wardrobe. And that's what I don't know.
Dice become pull that. Coward, haven't you been told that? If you do a free premier, I run down and go hide them close at. Hey, it's not a war pro that. It's a youth where you grow. You know, say it's a amateur that. I say him I go shot. Me say shot too. After man the elephant Sammy West now my fool. Good.
Say him I go shot. Me say shot too. What kind of shot you talk about? Shot who? Road.
You know, say it's amateur that. I say him I go shot. Me say shot too. After man the elephant Sammy West now my fool. Gunshot. Pin in your skin like tattoo. Be a clan catch. Be justice band you. Ashu. And everything me talk of you. Ashu. How you told that man? Sorry if he mash you.
The man say everything me talk of you. Achu. Yo, play upon Roger. So listen to Roger.
Peace fights a lyrical conflict. Seen sir? I do not go dead and him bumbo clad, know that. Cook hide him from the war. What a rass when me hold that. Me have me $60, the money for the toll that. Me be right to a king so the dice become pull that. A coward, haven't you been told that? If you do a free premier, I run down, go hide them close that. Hey, it's not a war pro that. It's a youth where you grow. You know, say it's a amateur that. I say him I go shot. Me say shot too. After man the elephant Sammy West now my fool. Gunshot. Pin in your skin like tattoo. Be a clan catch. Be justice band you. Ashu. And everything me talk of you. Ashu. How you
Yo, the man used Achu twice, but different ways, brother. Listen lyrics.
I say him I go shot. Me say shot too. After man the elephant Sammy West now my fool. Gunshot. Pin in your skin like tattoo. Be a clan catch. Be justice band you. Ashu. And everything me talk of you. Ashu. How you told that man? Sorry if he mash you. Oh, watch I stop the war. Stop who? Man make more people attack you and clap you. Tell Munga busy and diddy them. Agaga go gigi them.
Tell Munga. What him say? Tell Munga. Don't it? No man. No, no man. Wait. Him call three artist name.
How you told that man? Sorry if he mash you.
What other man?
Oh, watch I stop the war. Stop who? Man make more people attack you and clap you. Tell Munga busy and diddy them.
Yes, tell Munga busy and diddy them. So tell Munga, tell Busy Signal and tell Aidonia. See a gigi them. Them a baby. Them a baby in a pamper.
Stop who? Man make more people attack you and clap you. Tell Munga busy and diddy them. Agaga go gigi them. A kingfish me here say a fiddle them. Never go die like big gigi them. In Deva Bratt, why that gun when them the old dirty bastard? Switchy won't pun them with the master. Bust out to a brain, make it fly password. Show do this risk make a make it bastard. Run go hide behind police and all pastors. Brother that there with that in a co pastors.
Yo, we not go pass a part like that. We not go pass. What the man got name? Why him got name?
Tell Munga busy and diddy them. Agaga go gigi them. A kingfish me here say a fiddle them. Never go die like big gigi them. In Deva Bratt, why that gun when them the old dirty bastard? Switchy won't pun them with the master. Bust out to a brain, make it fly password. Show do this risk make a make it bastard. Run go hide behind police and all pastors. Brother that there with that in a co-pastors. Put more man on the real bomb blasters. Real machine gun endorsers. When you hear me say killing, a murder thing. Catch you pussy belly fast, you all a shop not the Burger King. Eat chicken, bite up 1/3 of him. Make him skull crack fry like when stone half a bird of thing.
Yo, eat sinking, bullet him attacking, bite off 1/3 of him. Yo, that you tell dog.
Real machine gun endorsers. When you hear me say killing, a murder thing. Catch you pussy belly fast, you all a shot not the Burger King. Eat chicken, bite up 1/3 of him. Make him skull crack fry like when stone half a bird of thing. Deva Bratt me a the murder king. You hear about the youth? You must never heard of him. Hey, me a boy. But we kill him before him first word of thing. Hear me Kapachi. Me have a gun metal and a papachi. In a boy face gunshot neck and dodgy.
Yo, Yo. Bro. Me know how much bars in that song, yeah? But just know so the chorus is a blood clot. A beer bar.
When this was the place light up them cassie. Can't this come on our cassie. Can't violate put more this people in our bossy. Bossy make me rassy and blassy. Cast two out there gonna big. Me don't know where the bossy. Chilani man them now fight karate. Can't have every man them no care who you want. The police, security guard, the army. See them bully them big like tsunami. Flankers a make blood run like tsunami. Hear me? Them boy they no skill army. Them boy they no killy dammy. Hear me now man?
You know from when the term killy they bought? You think a popcorn invent killy? You think a Papi invent killy? Big up Papi, listen this.
Yeah, the army. See them bully them big like tsunami. Flankers a make blood run like tsunami. Hear me? Them boy they no skill army. Them boy they no killy dammy. Hear me now man? Me we both shot with them cry go home to them mommy. Rise a gun when them the old dirty bastard. Squeechy bone pan them with the master. Bust out boy brain, make it fly password. Show no disrespect them and make it bastard. Go hide behind police and all bastards. No that the read that no shot in a cow bastards. Put more man of the real brown blasters. Real. Hey, the second end of the war with a blood clot, yes I know. If you're not dead by a blood clot before stinging him. You listening? Me I know the king for killing. Me nah have to wait till sting to kill him. Hear me now man? You want somebody that you know, pick me man.
Oh, Buckshot. What can I say? What more can I do? What more can I do? Lyrics. You don't want the reaction now. You don't get it now. Like the fucking video now. I'm telling about the car now here. Like the video. Comment section. Get active and tell me which Deva Bratt no want it. Cause I will leap, you know. I will leap. Listen now. Listen now.
This and them and the two and them and the two.
Listen now.
Question. No ask me no question. No quiz me. All them say them and the baddest artists in the business when it.
We're not good no more right now. We're not good no more. Just make me know which song I want next. Hear that? Yeah, them over here loaded. Fully loaded. Yes. I'll catch you guys on the next one. For real. Chris.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.